So sometimes you leave your key fob behind and you get stuck on the pattern. Then you have to do the walk of shame heading back. You don't look too happy. Did you find your key fob?
I found my key fob. It's right here. Won't start without it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're down here in Round Rock, Texas at Dell Diamond, filming the sports capital of Texas motorcycle rodeo. It's well underway, as you can see. Got some good patterns out here this year. I'm a little upset that I'm not competing, but it is what it is. Different obligations at work this year. So having a good time though. Stay tuned, we got some good footage coming your way. See you down the line. Haven't said the best of us. Well, not me, because I don't even try it. I know I'm not that good. All right, man, so what's the deal here? What's the best method to getting this done right?
You know, Ryan, I don't know, because I suck at this event. But from what I've learned, it's a lot of throttle, clutch, and some rear brake control. Plus, but I think the big thing is paying. Trying not to look too close in front of you.
Yeah.
Looking ahead of you where you want to go.
Well, see, you're already better than me. You're already better than me, but I'm not gonna try it. So.
Ask me again in about 13 seconds.
So the slow pattern usually is better for Harleys. Harleys have that more torque to help keep the bike standing up. And they got a bigger rear brake, or at least a better rear brake, at least in my experience. I used to ride the old BMWs back in 2014. But great motorcycles, they each have their own strengths. Well guys, that's gonna be it for us. I wish I could stay longer, but I gotta get home, get my kiddos from school. We have about an hour and 15-minute drive back to town, but it was a good time. You enjoy yourself, Chris?
Yeah, good time.
So, we'd rather be riding in it, obviously. Just wasn't in the cards this year. Had some other stuff going on in our personal lives and with work. But hopefully they'll be doing this again next year, and we'll come back out and ride again. But now we're gonna go find some food. I could really go for some tacos. I don't know about you, but and then that's gonna be it. So I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned. Always more footage coming, and ride safe out there. And we'll see you down the line.